Hello there, Shelly here with Shelly Can Help, and I love talking about anti-inflammatory foods, meaning there are foods that you can eat that actually go in your body and help you reduce the chronic inflammation in your body. We all have chronic inflammation, but chronic inflammation is the root cause of most health conditions and disease today. So if you think about it, if we lower the chronic inflammation in our body, then we are setting our body up for this beautiful platform for healing and optimum health. And I want to talk to you today about a very anti-inflammatory food called turmeric. Turmeric is a root herb just like ginger. So you're seeing this on my table. Turmeric looks like ginger. I get comments all the time on social media, people trying to call me out saying, you're using ginger. No, this is turmeric. It is bright orange in color when you cut it open, but turmeric has a component in it called curcumin, C-U-R-C-U-M-I-N. That's the powerhouse inside of turmeric. Curcumin is extremely anti-inflammatory. It's very high in antioxidants, meaning it goes in and it fights those free radicals in our body and helps us fight things off like cancer, like sickness, illness, virus, even down to seasonal allergies. There's a lot you can do with turmeric, so you can buy the root or you can buy the ground up powder in the spice section at the grocery store. Either one is fine. I like to kind of mix it up and use both in my kitchen. Some things that I use turmeric for on the root side is mainly I make hot and cold tea using ginger, lemon, honey. And then I also put it in my, I do ginger shots in the winter and I use it along with ginger. I grate it, put it in a blender, strain it out, and I make ginger shots. I also put it in my smoothies. I'll just do a small chunk in the smoothie and it really, really helps know that I'm getting some anti-inflammatory foods in my diet. On the powder side, the spice side, you can put it in anything that you want. What I typically do, this is kind of silly, but it works for me. It's very yellow and like an orangey yellow color. So I like to put it with orangey yellow foods. I will put it in mashed sweet potatoes. I will put it on salmon. Like I'll make a little marinade with it with salmon. So I'll put it in soups. I use turmeric a lot in soup and dressings. So anytime you're cooking with something orange, just go ahead and put a little bit of turmeric in there. It is mild in flavor. You don't have to use a tablespoon of it, but it is really, really anti-inflammatory, which is what I always talk about, right? There's a lot of the recipes in my cookbook, which is behind me. It's called What's on Your Fork. You can find it on Amazon. And that turmeric is in a lot of my recipes. So if you want to learn more about how you can incorporate it into your kitchen, grab my cookbook on Amazon. Hey, follow me, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, or tell me a creative way that you're using turmeric in your kitchen. Let's help each other, shall we? Thanks a lot, and I will see you soon.